yesterday you had a assembly session. How was that?
Good. But you made it look like it was so strict, but it was actually like very chill.
If I could you please share your screen and go to the classroom. Good morning. Everyone need to clear your dashboard. So that's why I'm checking you individually your dashboard. Please go to your home page of the classroom. Rija, on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
The to-do list, am I right?
Yeah, to-do list.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I have only this two, and then missing it was in term one. Uh, these two.
Okay. Do you have any old assignments is appear there? That means the previous year assignments or anything you have? Could you
No,
please?
but this is the term one.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, all of you please. Hanan, you also share your screen.
Can I stop?
Yeah. Yeah, if I show me again once more, please.
Okay, wait a minute.
Which are the class you have? Sure.
I have. Wait, I should just say or I should show.
Yeah, you should share that.
Okay.
The classroom, the classes. Who is this? Okay, Spotlight Auditorium. Nice. Yeah, go to the missing one, Anand.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hello?
earlier, click on the earlier last week or any. Yeah, that one.
Can you hear me? No?
Yes, it's on. Scroll
Yeah,
down.
sorry. Accidentally left a minute.
View all. Click on the view all.
Ma'am,
There are many works showing that pending.
ma'am, there's like a
Multi-character
maths Olympiad, right? Like coming
June,
in the
July,
this
unit
year
test.
last, right?
Yes, take to do again to do this again, Hanan.
Um, ma'am,
Yes.
I don't know how it is, but
Yeah, maybe these are the previous works. Revision Max, Thursday, June. Just click one work, any work. Yeah, homework, September. Yeah, click on that. Shaming. Okay. Okay, yeah.
This
You
was
can.
old term.
Yeah, yes. Okay, everyone just create a small list. Which are the assignments you have the old ones. Just list out the names. Okay. You want to clear the
ma'am, there is
all
like
the
a
all
maths.
assignment works. So you are. dashboard should be clean and neat. So that's why we are making you're checking that. Just list out the all the works. Okay. Everyone should do this. Not now. I'll ask you tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Yes.
like there's a Max Olympiad this year last, right? So when I joined the auditorium, no one was there. Like in the middle of the English class, Leah ma'am just told us if you want to join there, you can join in the auditorium. And when I joined the auditorium, there was like no one, and I waited for 2 hours.
I don't
You
know
have to
about
let
that.
Leah ma'am know, right?
Yeah, that will be better.
Yeah, I have
I
Leah
don't
ma'am's
have
number. I
clear
can
idea
send
about
to
that.
Leah.
So
Sorry,
that's
I
it.
can
You
send to
can ask
Vera.
her.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. So just list out the unnecessary things like unnecessary homeworks. I will ask you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Sorry.